Have you seen those amazing profile pictures all over social media? I'll show you a neat trick using AI to create them in just one click. Head over to the Bing Image Creator website that uses DALL-E 3 to generate realistic images for free. Keep in mind, it deducts points each time you generate an image. Start by pasting the first prompt, which I've included in the description, and tweak it a bit. Change to any social media platform you want. Adjust the name. And hit create. Wait a moment. And there you go. A pretty cool image is generated. Hit create, and you'll get more awesome images. Keep generating until you run out of free points. I've tried it and got some great profile pictures. Once done, delete the previous prompt and paste the second one. It creates variations with realistic faces. Tweak it a bit. Hit create, and you'll get more awesome images. For a bonus, there's a prompt to generate top model-like profile pics. Copy and paste the third prompt. Click create. And after a while, boom! Stunning images. Before you go, consider subscribing and sharing this video. On my channel, I teach ways to earn money online, including a previous video on making $40,000 monthly income from YouTube using AI.